Alright, well, looks like somebody decided to spray paint our male area. This is the only spot that they sprayed. Nothing on this side. And we know who it is because the resident's grandson, his car is right over here. So we believe it's his girlfriend. So there's a same old smiley face and all down the side. Huh? He makes frequent stops at your mom's house, so maybe that's why his girlfriend got mad at him. So let's see if we can get this off the mailboxes here. And I've used this stuff here before, works pretty good. This Motsenbocker's liftoff graffiti remover. You just spray it on there, let it sit for about a minute, and then start wiping it off. So that's what we'll do. Alright, we'll let that sit and we'll wipe it off. Alright, see what happens. There we go. You can see it breaking down. I might have let it sit a little bit too long and it dried on me, but I'll have to just keep rubbing it off here. Spray some more. Now we just sprayed up there once, give it a quick little rub down. You can see it's starting to come off. We'll have to spray it again. But the mailboxes were my main concern, because if I have to, I can just kills and paint that. But the mailboxes look good. So it's good stuff. It's Motsenbocker's liftoff spray paint graffiti remover. Alright, well, finish this up. Alright, got everything off. There's the mailboxes. And there's above it. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, we're at the shop now. I'm just gathering up some PVC parts here. We got a condensate drain that's clogged, leaking down through the ceiling there to the first floor. But something must have happened with this drain before I got here a few years back. They cut out the 3-inch section of PVC and put a red funnel in there. So after we get the drain open, I'm going to remove that, get my measurements, and put the drain back to the way it should be. So we'll see it here in a few minutes. We're heading over now. Okay, so you saw how that was piped up. Got that crazy funnel out of there. So it has a 3 by 1.5 inch reducer. So when I sat that down there, measured up above the floor slightly there to take the drain from the overflow pan, 10 inches total. So including the adapter, up to where I need to be is 10 inches. So I'll glue this on our piece of 3-inch, measure back 10 inches, cut it, and then we'll go down there and we'll glue this in. The drain's opened. The clog's actually in the funnel. I didn't bring it back up to the shop here, but I'll grab it and show you guys when I'm done. So get ready to glue this up, cut it, and we'll go back and glue the piping. Alright, getting ready to head back over. We got our reducer glued up, got our piece cut 10 inches. So let's go put this in. Okay, you can see our funnel here is clogged. That was the problem, but pretty nice. Got a dishwasher drain hose connected to the bottom. Had that part right here. The hose part down through the street elbow. Guess it worked. Alright, well, on to the next one. Alright, on this one here, we got a building that we keep getting calls from our central station here that monitors our fire systems, and we have a trouble. And let's see, we got a common trouble light blinking. We're getting PEXP1, and then 1 of 1. Let's see what we're getting. Open circuit trouble. And it's L0A001. Alright, let's check our booster panels down here. See if we're getting any outs. See, we got out 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we got our power, our AC, and then we got our battery. So we have no trouble lights inside this panel. And we got a light, looks like a battery. You can see the yellow light there, and it says battery right beside it. So it looks like these 2 batteries here are going to need replaced, and that should clear that code out, and then get rid of this code. So let me go grab 2 batteries out of the shop, and we'll swap them out. Okay, got 2 new door cell batteries. We'll get those ready. We'll pull out our old ones. This is all low voltage. It's our negative, our positive. You can see that terminal's a little crusty. And got to date the new batteries. So today is April 17th. So let me write that on the new one. Okay, there's our new one, 4/17/23. Took these up. Look at that, our light just went out and heard it click. And we're gonna do this one as well. Got my battery right here. I'll put the date on that one. Okay, negative and positive. Take the covers off. There's our positive. Here's our negative. You heard it click. The light went out. Let's check the main panel. See, we're still getting the Plex 1. It should go to system normal. Give it a second here. Boom, there it is. System normal. And our light's going. Okay, we're good to go. That's all it was. Just a bad battery. Always want to change them both and date them as well. So we're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.